Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share my videos. Today the topic of my video is Cody eye makeup. Cody eye makeup look is very unique eye makeup look that can enhance your beauty and charming. In this video, I will tell you about Cody eye makeup and its techniques. First of all, start with a clean and moisturized eyelid. This helps the makeup apply smoothly and last longer. Apply an eyeshadow primer or a natural tuned eyeshadows all over your eyelid to create a smooth base and help your eyeshadows stay in place. Choose the eyeshadow colors you want to use. For a simple look, you can go for a neutral palette with shades like browns, taupes, or pinks. Pinks by applying a light matte shade all over your eyelid as a transitions color. Use a slightly darker shade in a crease of your eyes to create the depth and dimension. Blend it well to avoid any harsh lines. If you want to add more dimensions, apply a shimmery or metallic eyeshadows on the center of your eyelid or in the inner corners of your eyes. Line your upper lash line with eyeliner. You can choose a pencil liner for a soft look or a liquid or gel liner for a more defined line. Curl your eyelashes with an eyelash curler and apply mascara to both your upper and lower lashes. You can apply multiple coats of added volume and length. Optionally, you can apply false lashes or an even more glamorous look. Make sure to trim them to fit your eye shape and apply lashes glue along the lash band before gently pressing them onto your natural lashes. This is all about the Cody eye makeup that can enhance and become charming look. You can pick the ideas, different looks of the eye makeup. Thank you.